I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so nothing stalls the process. First, make sure iOS is up to date because carrier activation relies on the latest profiles. Once done, verify both carriers support dual SIM on an iPhone 13, either physical nano SIM plus eSIM or two eSIMs with carrier support. Have your Apple ID signed in and the carrier QR codes or activation codes at hand, because you'll need them to add or switch lines without reboots disrupting setup. Now you add and configure each line step by step. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan and scan the carrier QR or type the activation info that registers the eSIM. After both lines appear, label them clearly so you know which is for calls, messages, and mobile data. Then set the default line for voice and SMS while assigning cellular data. Make sure to allow cellular data switching when you want apps to use the active data line automatically. Finish by restarting the phone to ensure both profiles fully register with carriers. Then place test calls, send messages, and browse on each line to confirm data routing. If a line won't activate, remove and re-add the eSIM profile or ask the carrier to reissue the activation QR. Sometimes the carrier profile needs refresh. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear lingering conflicts, but make sure you know your Wi-Fi passwords, because this clears saved networks and VPN settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.